Hi viewers, welcome to Yogi, the math tutor. Today now I'm talking about real numbers from grade 9th class. Let us have a brief review of various types of numbers from grade 8th class. Already we know natural numbers are called counting numbers and they are starting from 1, 2, 3, 4 or so on. And natural numbers with 0 are called whole numbers. Whole numbers with negative numbers are called integers, and q, it is a rational number set. Already we discussed in grade 8 class. So these numbers are in the form of p by q, and where q is not equal to 0, like 4 by 1, 3 by 6, these all are rational numbers. So every natural number is also a rational number. Why? Because it having 1 by 1, 2 by 1, 3 by 1, so on. So 0 by 1, 1 by 1, and integers having 1 by 1, 1 by 1. So every natural number, whole number, integer is also called as now rational numbers. So this rational number set is represented by capital letter Q. And we know that how to represent whole numbers, natural numbers and integers on the number line. Now we will review of rational numbers on the number line. Then see that this question represent 5 by 3 and minus 5 by 3 on the number line. These all are rational numbers I am representing on the number line. So to draw these rational numbers on the number line, first of all we need to divide each unit into 3 equal parts to the right and left side of 0 respectively. So I'm drawing, this is I'm writing here 0 by 3, this is 1 by 3, 2 by 3, sorry, this is 2 by 3, this is 3 by 3, 4 by 3, this is 5 by 3, minus 1 by 3, minus 2 by 3, minus 3 by 3, minus 4 by 3, minus 5 by 3. So here 0 by 3 is nothing but it is a 0, 3 by 3 is nothing but it is 1, and here this is 6 by 3 indicating 2, minus 3 by 3 indicating negative 1, this is minus 6 by 3 indicating negative 2. So now we are locating 5 by 3, so here we have the 5 by 3, and the next minus 5 by 3 we have the left side of the 0. So like this we are representing the rational numbers on the number line. Next question, try yourself, that is minus 3 by 4, this minus 3 by 4 you should represent on the number line. Next question, we will go with now we are writing the given numbers in the form of p by q. For example, if they are giving 0, so we should write on in the p by q form, that's it, we need to write on 0 by 1. So like that you should write on 7 in the p by q form, 10 also you should write in the p by q form, and minus 4 also you should write in the p by q form. Try yourself and write your answer in the comment box. In the next question, are the following statements are true, they're asking. So the first statement is every rational number is an integer. Is this true? No, it is a false statement. Why? Because if we are taking 7 by 8 or I'm taking minus 2 by 6, it is a rational number, but these numbers are not an integer. Why? Because they are in the form of p by q, but integer set containing only positive, negative numbers and 0. The next question, every integer is a rational number. Yes, it is a true, because I'm taking minus 1, minus 6, 8, these all are integers. So these numbers we can write as minus 1 by 1, minus 6 by 1, 8 by 1. So it is in the form of p by q. So every integer is a rational number, but every rational number is not be a integer. The next question, they're asking 0 is a rational number. Is it true or false? Yes, it is true, because 0 can be expressed as 0 by 2, 0 by 7 and so on. So these all are in the form of P by Q. Next question, we will go to find the intersection of irrational numbers between the two numbers. Already we know this, we did in the 8th class, but again we are reviewing the 8th class topic. So by mean method is nothing but we are using the formula a plus b by 2, where a is equal to first number and if we are taking the b is equal to second number. So here they given 3 and 4 two numbers. In between these two numbers we need to find the two rational numbers between the given two numbers. So we can, to find the first number we are using the formula a plus b by 2, that indicating 3 plus 4 by 2, so which gives 7 by 2. So 7 by 2 we are getting between the 3 and 4. To find the second number we are taking 7 by 2 as an a value and next to 4 as a b value. Then you can find the mean method to find the one more rational number, that is 7 by 2 plus 4 by 2 you will get. Here we are taking LCM, so which gives, so 7 1 is 7 plus 7 2 is 4 2 is 8 by 2 1 is 2. This is divided by 2 by 1 will become 1 by 2, which gives 15 by 2 into 1 by 2, which gives 15 by 4. So the next rational number is 15 by 4. Here we can do this problem in another method. If you want to find a rational number between these two numbers, so you should take this a value and you should take the b value, and you will get you can find the rational number, but you will get between these two numbers. You can find any either here or you can find here. The next easy method, we have one more easy method to find a rational number between these two numbers, that is 3 and 4 they given. So we need to write the equivalent fraction, that is equivalent fraction for the given rational number, that is 3 to the 6 by 1 to the 2. The next number for that next number also we need to write the equivalent fractions, then that is 4 to the 8 by 1 to the 2. So between 6 by 2 8 by 2 you will get only one rational number, that is 7 by 2. So they are asking two rational numbers, so you should multiply again with the another next equivalent fraction you should write down. So 2 3 you should write an equivalent fraction here, that is into 3, then again you should multiply with the 3, then 3 3s are 9. Again you can multiply 3 here, then you will get 1 3s are 3. Again you can multiply here, 4 times 3s are 12. I am writing equivalent fraction for the 4 by 1, that is 8 by 2, that is 12 by 3. Here I am writing the equivalent fraction for 3 by 1, that is 6 by 2. Again 3 times 3s are 1 times 3s are. So now look at here, between 9 by 12, 9 by 3 and 12 by 3 you will get two rational numbers, that is 10 by 3, 11 by 3. So like this also you should find the rational numbers between the two given numbers. Now you can do these problems. Find 5 rational numbers between 2 and 3 using mean method. The next question, find 10 rational numbers between -3 by